Here's how to assemble your Travall Dog Crate. Before you start, lay out all of the parts so everything is easy to see and reach. Step 1. Start with the side. Lay the right-hand side of the crate flat on the floor with the inside facing upwards. Take the small metal connector shown here and push it into the top corner until it clicks into place. Next, take the 4 frame pieces shown on screen. Fit each one into the matching connection on the side of the crate. Start with the top and bottom pieces, then add the 2 pieces that will support the back panel. Step 3. Add the back panel. Line it up with the frame you've just built and carefully slide it into place. Make sure the panel sits properly between the frame pieces and that the top corner connects correctly. Fit the second small metal connector into the top corner of the back panel. Fit the remaining top bar into the front corner of the crate. Then, take the roof panel, line it up with the frame, and slide it into place. Push it all the way in. Next, position the door at the front of the crate. Fit the 2 locking rings shown here to hold the door in position. Step 6. Add the floor. Take the floor panel and slide it into the bottom of the crate. Push it all the way back. Now take the other side of the crate. Carefully line it up with all of the exposed ends of the frame. Step 8. Secure the back. Fit the 2 locks and turn each one by 90 degrees. Then insert and tighten the screws in the positions shown. Finish. Check around the crate to make sure every connection is secure. Turn the crate upright. Finally, open and close the door to make sure it moves and locks correctly. Your Travall Dog Crate is now ready for your next adventure.